Hello children, welcome to KV School Education. Before that we discuss about A reading. Now I am going to discuss about the B reading, that is the poem It's Changed. That is in the A reading we discuss about C.V. Raman. Okay now children, the C.V. Raman we discuss. Now it is the second part, that is the B reading, poem It's Changed. So first I will read the poem. You underline the difficult words and find out the meanings from the dictionary. Okay children, now I will read the poem, just you observe the poem. It's changed. So mom, I don't want to go to school today cause I fear our world in decay. I feel my teachers are the part of the plot. I am the only one who see through the rot. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change a quantum leap. Biologists are making stem cell grow, saying it's change the way to go. So, zoologists are finding cracks in our earth, saying it's change, predicting its birth. Archaeologists are digging up walls and bones, saying it's change, time for clones. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving up kids too much to learn. So, here they are saying that the children are giving much work to learn. So, who have written this poem means Ima Gori. Ima Gori. So, he is the writer of the poem. So, what is the meaning of scientists? The researchers who are researching. Biologist means science concerning living things. Zoologist means the study of the earth. And archaeologist means the study of the culture of the past. So, one month, the scientist is saying something, biologists are saying something, geologists are saying something, and archaeologists are saying something. So, what is that in this poem? We'll see now. So, mom, I don't want to go to school today. Here, the description, the girl is saying to her mother that I don't want to go to school. She is very much afraid to go to school. Why? What is the reason? We'll see. Cause I fear our world is in decay. So what that the girl is saying that I am thinking that our world is in decay. Decay means what is the meaning of decay? Here world is in decay. So you can say that our world is in decay. Why you are saying it is in decay? It is in the problem. So the world is in problem. Why it is in problem? We'll see. I feel my teachers are the part of the plot. The girl is saying that in the world the teachers are the plot or the part of the plot. Plot means secret plan made to do something wrong. So what the teachers and others are, they are saying that they are making the secret plan to do something wrong. So scientists are, I am the only one who see through the rod. She is saying that the girl is the only the part. She is only getting that through the rot means the situation is getting worse. So the situation is very worst in the world. That is, the teachers are also the part of that plot. Okay. So scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it change a quantum leap. What the scientists are saying? They are the part of the pigs and sheep. Biologists are making stem cell grow, saying it change the way to go. So what these biologists are saying? They are saying that they are making stem cell to grow. But what the geologists are doing? They are only finding the cracks in the earth. They are finding the cracks in our earth, saying it's change, protecting its birth. And what these archaeologists are doing? These archaeologists are digging up the falls and bones, saying it change, time for clone. But yes, scientists are causing me concern, giving us kids too much to learn. But what the scientists are doing? The scientists are giving more work to the children to do, to learn more. How the scientists are giving? So scientists are giving how means they are the scientists about the scientists, they are printing in the textbooks and the workload is more to the children. So that's why they are giving much work to the children. So from this poem you can say that the children are overburdened here by giving more lessons to learn from the textbook. So in my opinion, you should not feel more burden. You should read some when you have time. You don't waste your time because it is very useful to you only in the future. I think children you have understood this poem. If you have any doubt, write in the comment box. Here some questions are given here. You can read this and answer these questions. And you can find out this. Here some correcting pairs of words are also given. That is rhyming words. You can write this rhyming words also. Okay children. I think children you have understood the poem. Now these are the meanings of this. It's change. See, cloning, producing an extra copy of an animal. So what they are doing, they are producing the extra copy of an animal. Quantum leap means a sudden, great and important change. Okay, Nana? Stem cell, a basic type of cell from which all other cells are going to develop. Fossils means the remains of an animal or a plant which have become hard and turned into a rock. Concern means worry. Feel means think. Cause means because. Change means fluctuations. Learn means study. Okay. So these are the meanings you should read and you should write in the CW notes. Now here some questions are already given. I told you already some questions are given. You should read that poem, understand and write that question and answers. Okay. Now here page number 37. You have some rhyming words here. You should write from the poem. See here rhyming words are given here. Plot means rot. Cot means lot. Sheep means leap. Sweep means cheap. Grow means go. Low means slow. Earth means birth. Breath means birth. Bones means clones. Stone means owns. Concern means learn. On means turn. So these are the rhyming words you should write in the textbook and in the notebook also. Okay children. Now here one project is given here. You should collect information about 5 scientists and write in your notebook in the format given below. So this is a project work. You should write in your project note. What they are saying here, you should write the name of the scientist, country, discovery, invention and what are the awards he have, that scientist. For example, in the before lesson we discussed about C.V. Raman. He is a scientist. So which country he was born, discoveries, invention and what are the awards he got. The C.V. Raman or any other scientist you can take. Okay children, in the project work you should write this. They are saying to write about 5 scientists, not to 1 or 2. 5 scientists you should find out. Okay children, I think you have understood this video. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe.